How to turn off lock screen on Kakaotalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can turn off the lock screen on Kakaotalk. Let's get started. First of all, open the Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you are in, you'll need to enter your password as the lock screen is on right now. So enter your password. Now once you are logged in, tap on the more right here and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here scroll down and you will see privacy. Tap on privacy. Now here you can see lock screen option. Tap on it. Just enter your password. Now you can just toggle this off in order to turn off the lock screen like this. And that's it. This is how easy it is to turn off the lock screen on Kakaotalk. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.